Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to recover Facebook password without email and phone number. First option, use an alternate email or phone number. If you have an alternate email or phone number listed on your account, you can use this to reset your password. Facebook will use them to confirm that the account is yours, send you verification codes, and ultimately finish your account recovery. Go to facebook.com/login/identify and follow the instructions to reset your account. The second option, contacting Facebook support. If you don't have any alternate email or phone number, reaching out to Facebook support might be your last resort. The customer service team will ask you questions and have you verify information to help confirm that you are the account holder. They don't offer a guaranteed solution, and there is a chance your account may be permanently lost, since Facebook may decide to err on the side of caution if you're unable to provide the necessary information. Even still, they may be able to provide assistance if you can prove your identify. First, visit the Facebook Help Center. Then go to Login and Password on the left side menu. Click on Fix a Login Problem. And then on the page, click on Recover Your Account if you can't access the email or mobile number on the account. Then follow the prompts based on your individual circumstance. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for another video.